Hello, this is Nick, and I got a cool thing that arrived in the mail today. It is the new Foxstart XT. Well, I shouldn't really say new, but it is new to me because I just upgraded to this beauty. Come on, focus. There you go. Got the beautiful new knife. Comparing it to my old one, just a standard dart. Nothing too special. I should have brought a scale, but I didn't. This thing is about 0.3 grams heavier. So I was going to take these two apart just to compare them, see what's the difference and all that. So let's do it. I'm going to start with the XT, because I took apart the standard dart in a different video. So we'll save that, I guess. It also came with another pocket clip, but I don't know if I want to use it. It's already in a good reverse grip position. I'm gonna see the new bearings. What do they look like? And also that new CRKT locking mechanism that's on the top. How does that work? Looks like it's like a piece of metal that just flops down in front of the liner lock. I should probably bring this over here. Where does this go? There we go. Get all nice and loose. Come on. Now I don't want to do anything I might regret here. Ooh, tease it. Oh. Here it is. Oh my goodness, that is pristine. No dust. And look at that bearing. Just as I expected. Just like in my Quartermaster Karambit. Pretty much the same thing, only these actually fit the axle. Come on, focus. Here we go. And I'm not going to take it apart completely, but here we go. Actually, I might have to just see the lock. This little doodad. Oh my gosh. And there goes that. So it looks like... Yeah, screw it. How have we gotten this far? Oh. There's only one bearing? That's interesting. There's not even a washer on the other side. So this is one thing right here. How do focus? Want to focus? Come on. You know you want it. Looks pretty though, that's for sure. I might be just ruining this by getting my fingers on it. I'll oil it up and again. So here's that safety. So it just basically just blocks off that liner, so you can't close it on your fingers, alright, you guys. It's a simple thing. I guess I could just... I guess I can't really put this on my older one because it needs that little notch right here. And this carbide glass breaker... Let's see. If I take this boy out... I don't know how that would even be disassembled. Oh, I see. maybe. Oh, that's a solid piece. I don't know how, yeah, I don't know how you would get that out. Maybe you split that open. I'm not going to go that far into it. But that's that. It's pretty cool. It's really interesting. See how many differences you can spot out of the new and the old. Now, before I misplace anything, I'm going to put this back together. Am I forgetting anything? No, I'm not. Okay. Come on, pick it up. Here we go. I'm a little shocked that there is no second washer and or bearing. It's just empty. I guess I could put like another, because this one has 2 copper bushings or whatever, or washers. I could probably steal one off of here, put one there, make it a little bit smoother, I guess. I don't know. Or just stick with the standard bearings. That's interesting. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put this back. Enough faffing about. I probably should have wore gloves, as I always should, but I don't because I'm stupid. I'm a newbie at this. Alright, so we have the flat facing up. Forgetting anything? Nope. Alright, we're good. Put you in there. Probably get you back. I don't know why I put you back in there. Ooh. Come on. Oh no. Probably should not have done that first. Probably should go back with the G10. Because that will happen. You want to make sure this axle has the flat part down. Because that's the way it was put in. Because otherwise you will not be able to close the other side down onto it. I learned that from my old one. I was like, why is this not going back in? And I finally realized you have to have that flat piece down. Come on, don't be difficult. Also, my old Dart, what I did was I sanded down the G10 where the pocket clip meets whatever fabric your pants is or whatever, so it would pull in and out of your pocket easier. I'm deciding not to touch that at all. I want to keep my G10 as pristine as I possibly can. I'm going to use my old one as a utility blade, and this XT for if I'm out and about, not for utility. Definitely could use that glass breaker for self-defense, yeah. Let's see what we got here. Nope, that's too tight. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'll lube that back up later on. And this thing, it's been already broken into. Used, beaten, dropped, thrown. Maybe not thrown as much, but dropped a lot, yeah. Cut a few aluminum cans of this thing just for the shits of it. Damaged it a little bit. But it's still a badass knife. So yeah, I'm gonna lube this shit up. And also it was lubed up heavily when I got it. Let's do that. Oh, all right. There you have it. That is that. The 2 Fox darts.